In this video, you will learn how to withdraw funds from your Kriptomat account to your bank account. Log in to your Kriptomat account. From here, there are multiple different ways to make a bank withdrawal. We will show you the way that requires the least number of clicks. So here, in the My Wallet section, you can see the balance of your currencies on Kriptomat. We want to withdraw euros, so we click the three dots on the right side of this section. Two options will show up: deposit and withdraw. You have to click Withdraw. A dialog box will open up. If you have multiple bank accounts, you will first have to use the drop-down menu to choose a bank account to which you want to withdraw your funds. Then, enter the euro amount that you wish to withdraw. Click Max if you wish to withdraw all of your euro funds. Click Withdraw to go to the next screen, where you will have to confirm the transaction. Once you do this, you will receive an SMS to your mobile phone. Alternatively, you may need to enter the code that you see in your Google Authenticator, if that is what you have set up as your primary method of two-factor authentication. Enter the verification code into this field. When you are ready to make the withdrawal, click Confirm Withdrawal. A dialog box will appear saying the transaction was successful. Close this dialog. You can now check the status of the transaction, and you can expect to receive your funds within 3 working days. When you make a SEPA bank withdrawal from Kriptomat, your request is usually processed within 1 hour. After your request is processed, it can take an additional 1 to 3 business or working days for the funds to reach your bank account. However, the funds will usually reach your bank account within 24 hours or even on the same day. And that's it. You now know how to make a bank withdrawal from Kriptomat.